In this video, we are going to share our own experience of using both of these platforms so you can decide which one is better for you. Watch this video till the very end so you won't make any mistakes, and let's get started.
If you're trying to choose between Notion and Evernote, here's my experience after using both for about 6 months. Both are popular note-taking tools, but they are built for different types of users. Notion is much more than a note-taking app. I really like how flexible it is because you can create documents, databases, task boards, wikis, and complete workspaces in one place. It's great for organizing projects, managing content, and building a personal knowledge system. The downside is that Notion can feel overwhelming at first. There are so many customization options that it takes time to create a setup that actually works for you. Evernote is more focused on traditional note-taking. I like how simple it is to capture ideas, save documents, scan notes, and quickly find information later. The search features are excellent, and it feels very natural if you just want a reliable digital notebook. The drawback is that Evernote is less flexible. It doesn't offer the same level of customization and workflow management that Notion provides. One thing I'd pay attention to is how you take notes. If you need a powerful workspace for projects, planning, and organizing information, Notion is the stronger choice. But if you mainly want a simple place to store notes, ideas, and documents, Evernote may be easier. For me, Notion wins for flexibility and building complete systems, while Evernote wins for simplicity and quick note capture. The best option depends on whether you need a productivity workspace or just a better digital notebook.